Hello my friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my garden. I'm going to be planting these bare roots strawberries today. So what happened was I bought these in a bag from Walmart, and they were all, tied together and in soil. They were tied together with a rubber band. So I watched a YouTube video because it came with no instructions, and you need to loosen up the soil. You need to soak it in water for an hour and separate them out. Soaking it in water for an hour rehydrates them, and then there's most of it, which is the root, goes in the ground, but the crown sticks up. Let me see if I can show you one. Okay, so for example, this part down below my fingers is the root, and up above this part is the crown. So the crown's going to be sticking up, the root's going to be under the dirt. Now it needs nice loose soil, so I'm going to use a tool to loosen up my soil. Okay, this is my strawberry bed. I'm going to be loosening up soil right here. Okay, I've been working really hard at loosening up the soil, weeding, and discovering where little strawberry plants have been sprouting up from last year. So let me show you the ones I discovered. So I removed a lot of weeds, loosened up a lot of soil, and I found a little strawberry plant right here starting to pop up. And over here, let's see, right here. Here's one that's starting to pop up. And I found a lot of worms. And this one I already knew about. This one's one strawberry plant right here, and this one right here. So now I'm going to put these bare roots in the ground. I'm going to be using this shovel and putting them about 1 foot apart. So here I dug a little hole. This is my root right here. This is my crown right here. So that's going above, right where my fingers are. That's where it should be touching the surface. I for sure got my workout in today. Thank you for joining me as I planted all of those bare root strawberries, and wish me luck. Have a happy growing season. Bye.